Calgary Furnace Installation Guide, best options for 2025. What's been really cool in the last 10 years especially is the technology on furnaces has really started to shrink. So the difference between a entry-level furnace and a high-end furnace is not as much when it comes to simple installations. What I look for is really looking at the client's home and what their needs are. And if they really just need a furnace that turns on, turns off, heats effectively and efficiently, and is reasonably quiet, you really can't go wrong with some of the Lennox ML series product or the Elite series product. They're cost effective to install up front, and they have ECM motors, so they're efficient and they use less electricity over the long term. When you start looking at the more expensive furnaces, like the Lennox Signature Series, like Daikin, or getting into Trane's high-end furnaces or Carrier's high-end furnaces, a lot of times if you're not using the features where it comes to like zoned comfort and having different thermostats throughout your house, it may not be as much of an upgrade as you may think because you're not utilizing the performance options of the furnace. We always start with simple first and then get to know the client's needs to figure out whether or not a upgraded furnace might be more beneficial because it's offering features that the client uses. Modulating furnaces, while they sound really awesome because they do save a small amount of gas money up front, they tend to have a few more problems over the long term because of the complexity of the technology inside the furnace itself. So when you're looking at your different options, you really want to try to balance what your current needs are, what the long-term maintenance costs are going to be, and if you're going to upgrade the furnace in order to get some good features, make sure you're getting the most value out of those features.